another episode of Tapping with Buddy. So in today's lesson we're going to talk about a single time step. Time steps are, the foundation of tap dance. If you've ever heard of tap dance or come across it at any point in time in your life, I'm sure you've heard of the words time step. But what does that mean? Well, basically you're keeping time with your feet. So you do a repetitive rhythm both on the right and the left side, just so you know where you are in the music. So let's learn how to do that with the most basic, straightforward time step. Alright, so if we remember from earlier lessons, we have a shuffle, right? And we have a flap, and we're going to use both of those in this time step. We're also going to use something that we haven't talked about, which is a hop. Basically, a hop is if you're going to stand on one foot, you're going to jump in the air and land on that same foot, as opposed to a different foot or both feet or whatever. So a hop is one foot like that. So to put them all together, you're going to start with your shuffle, and then you're going to do your hop, and then you're going to step. We remember that. Now we're going to go to our flap on the other side, and then we're going to just step again. So that's one whole side of the time step. You have a shuffle, you have a hop, you have a step, flap, and another step. And then, because your weight's on the back foot, now you can do a shuffle again on the left, and then do the hop, then a step, flap on the other side, and another step. And that's all your basic single time step is. Now we just have to put it together in a rhythm. So we're going to do it straight time at first. That way it's nice and easy, nice and simple. And really the way this is counted would be, if you're a count of 8 person, you would go 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and that's how you would start there. Or 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. But a lot of people, especially if you haven't taken music before, this pause here, some people aren't sure where to put that foot down. So one thing you can do just for now, even though it's not musically correct, just to help you get the timing, is count each individual sound. So you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 is quiet, 5, 6, 7, 8. So every number has a sound associated with it, except for 4, where we're just waiting on one or the other feet, depending on which side you're doing it. So if you put those all together and you count evenly, you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can just repeat that as much as you want until you get comfortable with it. Eventually you want to be able to get the rhythm a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the ultimate goal is to swing. I'm a little hesitant to talk about swing if you're brand new to music, but just so you get the idea, this is all straight time. Right? There's the exact same amount of space in between each sound. But if you remember back when we did shuffles and we kind of did this, that's a swinging rhythm. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. So what you're doing is you're pushing the two sounds together. And the way a time step should sound, if you're swinging it, would be so you're swinging that. So once you get comfortable doing straight time, then start adding that swing to it. Just revert back to remembering what a shuffle sounds like and try to put that together. The first shuffle isn't fast, right? It's going to be an a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. So you're going to have to adjust that. So once you get used to the pattern, and your feet are comfortable doing each step in that order. Remember, when you do your flap to the front, your weight kind of goes there, and then you shift it to your back leg so you can lift that foot up again. So let's do it a couple of times with me, straight time, just practicing getting the foot order, and then you can start working on the swing. So straight time, we'll have Alright, and now practice that, and when you're ready, let's swing it. So here we go with the swing. And go. 1, 2, and very good. So now you have the single time step. Very important to get that down because a double, triple, there's lots of other different types of time steps that we'll get into in future episodes. But you want to make sure you have this one on your belt, because with this one, the rest of them just are super easy. Just so practice straight time, swing time, and then we'll move on to the next one. Thank you for watching. See you later.